Okay, I would say that the most common mistake is on the cleaning side of the machines. We have a lot of customers in the QSR sector or in the convenience stores that they don't really clean the machines. They spend 4 or 5 days before cleaning it, and they use alternatives of chemical products which also damage the machine. In their mindset, they are saving money, but in the end, in the long run, the maintenance or the spare parts that they need to fix it are more expensive. So I would say the most common mistake is cleaning from our site in Mexico.